This exact Claude Code skill that I will show you in this video will help you to find the next 100x. Like you know, recently we had RAVE, which was also a crime coin, which absolutely exploded towards the upside. We also had SIREN, which basically also went running vertical after the funding rates flipped. And also we had Rover, which was also a scam coin, which basically went sideways for a very long time and then out of nowhere squeezed out all the short positions and went to extreme highs. And what if I told you that all these coins have multiple things exactly in common? And even better, you can automatically search for these hidden indicators yourself so you can position yourself before the masses do. So basically, to summarize it, in this video, I will go over the checklist that these coins all follow on Binance, what signals must be aligning before the major pump happens, and how you can fully automate this process using Claude Code here. And don't you worry, because I already packaged these steps into one massive skill on Claude Code, which you can very easily copy paste here. And more information later in the video on how you can exactly download this skill here. So actually, before we dive further in towards the content, you have to understand that every single of these coins here that basically recently exploded, they run through 3 stages. And whenever you do see this, you cannot unsee it anymore. And the first stage is basically the accumulation phase. The price is literally flat, and actually no one is really talking about this coin here. And funding is usually also very negative because retail really thinks it's a dead chart. But in the background, that is why I call this accumulation, we see slowly open interest climbing up here. That means that basically some people are taking in positions, whether it's short or long. It could be both sides here, but open interest is increasing. And this is where truly the market makers are making the most amount of money. And this is where they are positioning themselves in baiting people to short the chart here, while they can basically eat them up here on a very big short squeeze. Then phase 2 is the squeeze phase. Basically, a major short squeeze happens. Funding rates tend to be usually flipped very positive because everyone thinks it's going to go further. They're going to be longing the chart. And then suddenly everyone sees the coin like we currently have with RAVE on their timeline. And if you're already positioned yourself in towards the coin in that phase 1 here, you would have already been sitting on probably like a 10x or maybe even a 50x here. So usually if you try to enter in the phase where it is already squeezing, you are usually already too late. And then usually we tend to see phase 3, which is the late squeeze here. This is usually like a distribution or a dump. And basically this means the top is in here. Funding usually stays very, very high here because it's getting very aggressively traded. Whales are usually distributing in towards the hype. Retail is, of course, buying the dip, which usually keeps on dipping, which we've seen on any of these coins, and which I also, by the way, think is going to be happening with this RAVE coin as well. I think it's going to go dump all the way down here, but it's just, of course, going to be a matter of time before that is going to be happening. So to basically summarize the strategy, it is completely about stage 1 and understanding how you can enter and find these coins in stage 1 here. So that is exactly where this skill, which I'm going to be showing you also, is very helpful. We're not trying to enter basically after the price already went vertical. We're also not trying to short the top, which is also a very, very difficult strategy to be doing, because I have also seen so many people trying to short this coin RAVE. And I mean, if you did try to short it, you most likely got wrecked here because cutting the top is just extremely difficult here. So coming back again here. So basically we're hunting for coins that are listed on Binance, which are very quiet, which are also flat, negatively funded, and with open interest coiling towards the upside, like slowly. And which is also very important, nothing needs to be happened before here. If it's already pumped, it's usually already too late here to be entering it. So nothing must have happened before here. So this skill basically scans all the Binance perps and filters out anything that already pumped here, which we think is too late to be entering. And we only filter for coins that are in phase 1. So the strategy is catch phase 1, ride stage 2 here, and then skip stage 3 because we're of course going to be selling out on stage 3 here. So now you know what it can do and how it works. Now I will quickly show you how you can actually set it up. It is very easy. What you will need is basically Claude and Claude Cowork on your desktop app. I am using Mac, but it is also available for Windows. And there is also one thing that is very important, and that is that you go to the settings of Claude, and that you go to the settings, go to capabilities, and then you do this allow network address and you set it to all domains. This is very important because otherwise you won't be able to connect with the Binance API, which basically searches for these coins. And I want you to understand this Binance API is completely free to get. You don't have to fill it in anywhere. This is exactly already integrated in the skill here. So this also makes it much more user-friendly because sometimes people need to search for API keys, etc., etc. It is already public, so there's no need to worry about it. And basically with the API keys, which we already have, which is free, it is going to be doing all the deep searching for these coins. And here you can be seeing in exact detail what the skill exactly will be doing. It will be connecting with the public Binance API, so there's no API needed for you, like I just told you. It will pull all the perp listed Binance future data. It will search for coins that are showing signals of the pre-squeeze accumulation phase. It checks if the price is flat, funding is negative, open interest is climbing, and listing fresh. And it filters out everything that already pumped, so we're not going to be entering any exit liquidity trades there. And it's going to rate them, with a crime score from 0 to 10. So basically, the higher the crime score is going to be, the more likely it is going to be about to have a major squeeze. So yeah, that is going to be very, very nice. And these setups, basically, with this system we built, it's going to be matching the exact setup like we've seen with RAVE, like we've seen with SIREN, and with Rover. So now I'm going to show you how I can exactly, and how you can also exactly fire up this skill here. So how you can do it is, first of all, go to the private Telegram group here, which you can find in the second link in today's video description. In this private Telegram group here, basically, you will find a link where you can basically get this exact skill here. And then you just copy it to your Claude Codes. And basically you ask them, scan the top Binance crime coins for me. And it, of course, implements the skill. It's, of course, first going to think for a while. So first, Claude need to learn the skill. And after a while, it took me like about 4 to 5 minutes. It basically learned the skill and gave me the top coins, which right now do have the highest crime score. And basically, of course, it elaborates exactly with all the things and the metrics we are looking at, all the parameters. The first one is CFG. Of course, you should search it up for yourself as well. But it basically gives an exact reasoning why it looks like it is going to be having such a crime pump very soon. Then the second one is CAT. It's got a rating 7. And the last one is Mantra, which got a rating 6.4. And it gives all the reasoning for it, and also points out all the other coins which are filtered out here. But the real value is, of course, not necessarily in this scout, which I'm currently doing by doing the research right now manually. No, the best part is to actually automate it, let it do research every single day. And basically, whenever there's going to be like a coin which got a rating of 9 or maybe even 10, it is going to notify you. That is actually the most valuable thing to do here. So you just do your daily task, you just do your things you're doing. And if there's going to be a coin that really has got the best setup, it will notify you. So that is truly where the biggest value lays here. So if you want to be setting it up here, this is the tutorial. It's very easy. You can find the link towards this exact skill in the Telegram group here, which is of course found in the second link in today's video description. If you're still looking for a safe and reliable place to be trading, you can also sign up an account to WeX using the first link below. Yeah, we're currently running an insane big 25% fee rebate and 0% fee campaign on WeX. So yeah, if you want to be joining in this campaign, you can sign up an account using the first link below right now to trade these coins also over there. But basically, yeah, it is going to give you a very good setup for coins that are about to be exploding. So this was it for me in today's update video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.